David Lederberg with Smart Charge America. We're a company exclusively focused on the installation and sale of electric car chargers. We do it all over the country. Specifically, I wanted to talk about a new charger. It's called the Wallbox Pulsar Plus. These are made in Spain, and a company, they're just starting to get into the US, has a really great mobile app, which we'll probably talk a little bit about later. A lot of great capabilities, integrations with Google, Amazon Alexa. Also, it's got some really great specs that we'll talk about. It's a connected charger, of course. Also, its capabilities up to 48 or even 40 amps. Also, capabilities to do power share with multiple of them. So it comes with the NEMA 1450 pigtail, or you can hardwire it. So a lot of great capabilities, 25-foot cable. So just opening this up for the first time, it's got a nice handle. It's kind of a small, lighter box. It's got a little accessory portion that you pull out. This has, as you can see, a holster as well as the toolkit of the mounting hardware. You can see we've got our installation guide, and then we have the main charger. Again, this is Wallbox Plus. Is really small form factor. I like this. Really basic. I like that it's a sealed unit. It's got some mounting bracket here that you utilize to get it on the mounting surface. It's very light. It's got some heavy duty cable here that I like. It looks like a higher rated cable than the kind of typical cheap stuff you might see on some of the Chinese chargers. So far, I really like the construction. Seems really solid. Also have NEMA 1450 pigtail. So it's got the configuration 4-pin, 2 hots, ground, and a neutral. It looks like there's also the option to hardwire it, so you can unscrew this to do hardwire directly into it. In addition, now we got this 25-foot cable. I really like this. This is the heavy-duty stuff. So when I see things like this, I like to definitely think that they put a little more thought into kind of overbuilding certain aspects of the charger, that it's really going to last, right? And so I like this connector. It's really got a good feel to it, like it's not going to slip out of your hand if it's wet. So real good feel to it. It's got the connector, real good spring on this. I find a lot of times this is what specifically communicates that you intend to unplug the coupler from the car. So it's really important that it's got good feedback on it, and it communicates well, because this is something that often breaks on cheaper connectors. So far I really like this. It feels really good. Good spring reload pushback. It's got the typical J1772. It'll charge any of the North American cars. So far, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this and get this into the test environment. But on first look, it looks really well built. So stay tuned. We'll be doing more on this Wallbox charger.